Hey, this is Tony's Tool Find at Pop's Garage. Okay, this is Friday the 20th. Yesterday, Thursday, one of my best friends and I went estate selling, and we probably went 200 miles. I don't know. Went to 1, 2, 3, 4 estate sales. The first one we went to was a trashy sale, I like to call them. And that's where I found most of the stuff. So I hope you enjoy watching. There's a lot of good stuff, and I'm real excited about a lot of it. So thank you for watching. Okay, I got a lot of stuff. I'm going to kind of try to go through it quick this morning. But I got this hammer. And I was excited to get that hammer. It's the first hammer like that I've got. And let me get a little rag to wipe that off. I don't know what that is, but I've been cleaning some stuff. But I haven't found a name on it yet. But I don't remember what type of hammer this is. I should have looked it up before I started this. But it's solid, and I'm happy to get it. Now I got this little thing here. I didn't know what it was when I first looked at it. I thought it's missing something. And then I looked here, and it's got little squares. And those squares, it's just a automatic adjusting wrench. You put different size hex heads in it, and it will adjust to whatever size you put in it. It's probably not a metric. This might be a metric bolt, and that's probably not what it's meant for, but it says Silverbrook Manufacturing Company, Springfield, Massachusetts, Sock-O-Matic, USA, patented. So I was glad to get that. Little piece of brass right here. I just threw it in with the stuff. I was about to leave, and I saw this laying on a table away from where the tools were. And it is a double line V. It's in good shape. And I think it was laying there with this wrench. And it is a Bonnie. And I think it's the same on both ends. It's straight here, and got an offset here. I've just cleaned it up enough to read the Bonnie name good. I've got to do more cleaning up on it. It says Zenith, I think, right here. 25, 30 seconds. Okay, my buddy, he came up to me and he showed me this. And this this socket was rusted. Let me see if this is the right one. No, that's not the right one. This socket was rusted on this wrench, and it wouldn't come off on this ratchet. And it wouldn't come off. And when I got home, I worked on it. This is a Craftsman deep well, 3/4. Needs a lot of cleaning. But I have worked on this ratchet. And it's as you can see, it's a Snap-on SV71A. And it was real rusty up here around the head. And it wouldn't move. And I took it apart, put it in vinegar overnight, and cleaned it. And it doesn't look the best, but it works great. And the ball, I was surprised at how good the ball was. I don't know if having that socket, probably having that socket on it saved it. But I was glad to get this little snap-on ratchet. I probably got it for less than $1, you know. And maybe I'll clean it up some more. I went to another estate sale. Now, most of this stuff I got it, a lot of this stuff I got at one sale, but I went to another one and I got 3 sockets. And I got this Eastco, and it's an 18 millimeter. And I believe it's the only Eastco socket I got. I've got an Eastco ratchet. Now this is a Williams. No, this is a Wizard. This is the Wizard socket. It is a 5/8. Got a little bit of rust right there. I'm gonna have to clean off. And this is a New Britain. And it is a 7/16. And I'm gonna have to clean some rust out of it. It's got a little bit of rust in it. But I got those 3 sockets at one sale. I got there, we had to take numbers. They said they didn't have any tools. And I was number 47. And they did have a few tools, and I found those 3 items. I'm gonna go over some of these first items that I got. I mean, items that I got at the last estate sale. I picked up this 1 1/16" Craftsman socket, double V. I got this 1 1/8" double V. I got this 3/4 double square, double V. And I got this 5/8 double square, double V. I also got this Crowder swivel extension spark plug socket, 13/16. I got this 19/32 double V. And I think I got this at the same place. It's a Napa, and that's the main reason I got it. I thought it might have been a Chinese one to start with, but it's made in the USA and it's a Napa. I got this little set of pliers, and they are Wizard. Little Wizard pliers. I got this Husky pull handle, 1/4 inch. And I think I may have got these 3 extensions there. This is the Craftsman. This is a Craftsman, 1/2 inch, 6 inch. These are the same. The same, little bit different age on them. One of them's about 1/8 of an inch taller than the other. And this is a Thorson. And I was bleeding a little bit, and I got some blood on it. First, I thought that was rust, and then I realized that's some of my blood. I cut my finger right there on a piece of glass. So I think that's all I got. I may have gotten this. I think I got this also at that same sale. Little Craftsman Let's see if I can tell anything about it. Single line V. It needs some cleanup work on it. It's not in terrific shape. But I'm going to put all those down and get back to that first estate sale that I went to. I got this socket, and it's a Williams. It's kind of rusty, not in terrific shape. It's got that hole in it though. I like that, so I'll try to clean it up. Put it in my Williams drawer. I got this Bonnie wrench, and I don't know if I'm looking to see if it tells me what size that is. That's a pretty large size, 1 3/4. That's 1 3/4. Somebody put their initials on it, maybe B. But that's a Bonnie wrench. I got this. It looks like a brake adjuster, but I'm not sure. That's what it looks like. I haven't seen a name on it. I haven't cleaned it up, maybe like I should, but just looking at it, I don't think there's a name on it. But I'll clean it up more, and if I find something real exciting about it, maybe I'll let you know. Now, that I got at that first estate sale I went to that I called a trashy sale. And I got this, and it's got some numbers on it. And it says maybe P157437, or that's either a B, or it could be an 8. Could be a 8157437. But it's got a place to put something through it to twist it, and it's like a socket size. But I don't know what that is. I got this wrench, 7/8, 25/32. Needs some cleaning up. Got a 31 on this side. I think it's an Indestro. I'm not sure. But I think it'll clean up good. Now this one just says drop forged, 7/8, 25/32. It's got a 10 on it. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. This one does say Indestro on it. And it is a P731B. 7/8, 13/16, made in the USA. My buddy saw this laying down there, and he said, that looks old. And so when I got home, I checked it out, and it says, pick our ice and burn our coal. Pick our ice and burn our coal. And Anniston Ice and Coal. Anniston Ice and Coal. And there's a phone number. Let me use my Dremel tool and just see if we can see that phone number. That might help us a little bit. Okay, that says phone 147. I don't know if I don't think there's another number there. But I'm going to clean that up some more and we'll look at it again maybe. Somebody's beat on it pretty good. I've got to clean it up, maybe sharpen the end a little bit more like an ice pick instead of a center punch. Looks like they made it into a center punch. And I don't know if this piece is supposed to be on it or not. But it's an advertising ice pick. Now this is a Craftsman. And I've got to clean it up, circle U. Let me use my Dremel tool on the U. To see if we can tell more about it. I've got to clean it up, but I was excited about these. I wanted to get them going this morning. Yeah, I believe that's circle U. Let's see how long this one is. We got another one we're going to measure, which is a snap-on. This one is, we'll call it 10 inches. It's just a little bit more than 10 inches. It's going to take some cleanup, but the ball works. So I think that one will clean up okay. Maybe it wasn't chrome to start with. Maybe it was just, and here's another little piece of that brass that I just threw in there. Now this one is a snap-on. And ball works on it. My buddy said, here, this is a long one. You want it? And I looked at it, and it was a snap-on. So I said, yeah, I'll take it. It probably cost me 50 cents. I don't know. This was at that trashy place. And there had to be a lot of tools that were already gone. It's almost 18 inches. This is a Proto brake adjusting tool, drum brake adjusting tool. 2007 Proto. This is a Craftsman 5/8, 9/16. I think it'll clean up pretty good. Double line V. This is a Craftsman. Same thing. 5/8, 9/16. 5/8, 9/16. I think it'll clean up good. All right, this is an older 11/16 open end box in, underline C, Craftsman, Palladium, USA. You know, it's going to clean up fairly well. I got these two rusty wrenches, just threw them in there. I don't know anything about this. It's pretty bad. It's a 5/8 and a 3/4 forged in the USA. Now this is a Craftsman, and it is in bad shape. I'm going to take it back there and throw it maybe in the vinegar and see. Now I got this, and this is a little Wright toolbox. Says it has 14 pieces in it, and it's 1/4 inch drive. But as you can see, all it's got is screws in it. I got this box, which is Proto, and I'm gonna have to look this set up. It's for a set number 5002B. I'm gonna have to see what set that is and see if I can start trying to find the pieces to go in it. Probably had a piece of plastic in here, and it's gone. But I got this stuff for almost nothing, so I picked that up. Okay. Now this is a puller, and it's got 3 of these pieces that go on it. And I was lucky to get it. I went around back, and they go on like that. And I probably gave $1 for this. Maybe $1. But one of the reasons I got it, and let me take these back off. Get them out of the way. One of the reasons I got it was because right there, it says her brand. This is a her brand puller. Needs a little cleaning up, but I can clean it up. And I was glad to get that. I got these 5 hammer handles. And I'm gonna have to see if some of the hammers I got, these will work on. And these 2 look like they're the same, maybe, just about. But I'm gonna try to fix some hammers I got, maybe. Got 5 of those. I got this. And I haven't cleaned it up yet to see if it's got a name on it, but I don't see a name on it. But I'll try to clean it up and see if I see. I got this, and it says Diamond. I think it's some kind of dresser tool, some kind of dressing tool. See right there? It almost looks like it's got some diamonds in it. And I'm not quite sure what that's for, but it was in this toolbox, so I got it. Now this is one of the stars of the show. I got this little Craftsman box, and there was nothing in it. There was nothing in it but this piece of red plastic. And I had these sockets and these tools, so I stuck them in there. But I've got another box, and this one isn't as old as that box. But it's a nice little box. It's got this little red piece in it. I like that. So I was glad to get that. Okay, I'm gonna take this off and show you a little bit. But this is what I call the star of the show. Let me get this tripod out of the way. This is the star of the show. This is a Blackhawk Chief wrench set. I'm gonna have to look that up and see what all came in it. It looks like it came as a set, but somebody has welded a hasp block on it. So I'm gonna have to cut that off, grind it down. I'm gonna leave the inside the same color that it is. And it is in bad shape, but the outside I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna paint. But as you can see, it's gonna take a little bit of work, but it is a Blackhawk, and that really excited me. I wanna leave that sticker on it just clean the inside up and paint the outside. It's got 3 drawers and they just pull completely out like that. They just slide in, pull completely out. So I'm just gonna clean up the inside. Probably put some liners in it. Put all my Blackhawk tools in it, clean it up. Cut these hasps off of it. And maybe try to figure out a lock to go on it. It had a lock on it. See that hole right there? But I was very excited to get this, and I paid $5 for this. So I was doubly excited to get it for $5. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and I think that's everything I got yesterday. But I'm really excited about getting this Blackhawk toolbox painted and in my garage. So I'll be showing you some more about it later. Thank you. Well, that's it for today. I got a lot of stuff. I got that toolbox, Blackhawk. I'm gonna have to clean it up. I'm gonna clean it up on the outside and paint it, and just clean it up on the inside. So there'll be more about that to come. And I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, you can like and subscribe. And if there's something you want to tell me you want to see or you want me to do or I said wrong, just leave a comment. Thank you.